Welcome back to the Property Show South Edition. In yet another attempt, Bangaloreans are trying hard to get rid of the tag of garbage city that it is increasingly being associated with. A decentralized waste management plant started on a PPP model hopes to at least provide a partial solution. Stacey Pereira caught up with citizens involved in launching this project. Take a look.
Is private-public partnership the answer to solve Bangalore's growing garbage troubles? In yet another attempt, civic-minded citizens along with the BBMP and corporates have come together and started this decentralized waste management plant. Why the need for it and what is it really going to help in doing?
While Bangalore has seen a lot of involvement of citizens and other organizations towards creating awareness on segregation at source and bringing in the concepts of reducing waste, the recent plastic ban is an example to that. But if you see the impact on the ground in terms of garbage being littered all over, the key piece which is missing is the processing facility.
What are the operations going to be like? How are things going to be different in this plant?
All our field staff working here will never even lift a single kg at all. So the waste slides in from this tank, it goes up through conveyors, and then we have a shredder, it falls into the tanks, and the tanks then slide out the material in a natural process of 1 month. So this way we are optimizing our productivity, and also we are using nature's own medicine, which is composting, to solve the waste problems.
Our goal has been to turn the waste into resources. And we want to demonstrate efficient decentralized waste management to our neighborhood communities as a responsible corporate citizen. As part of this initiative, we would be covering more than 4,000 families, which means about 20,000 people, and 10 to 15 bulk waste generators. And this unit will process 2.5 tons of waste every day.
If we think positively, I think waste is actually not a waste, but it also an income generating process. So we just hope that we will involve more and more communities towards this solution.
What was the problems earlier and how do you think this is going to, change the situation?
Typically the attitude is that I don't want a processing center now, I think. So our idea, we have seen the Sahas centers in Koramangala and the earlier ones, so it doesn't feel like a waste kind of a unit, and so that really gave us the confidence that it could be done here also, and we were very glad when this was the area that was selected. So then, and also the other challenge we have is always people say we are segregating but we don't know where it's going or somebody's mixing it. So now there is, with more conviction, we can convince residents and other people that to come and this is where it is going to. So hopefully more people will be motivated to actually segregate because they know that destination it is going.
If you just see around, we have a huge amount of mountains of garbage which each and every people out here are suffering with. So this gives a little bit of hope. Yeah, we want to manage, and we as citizens can also help in managing the garbage.
From not in my backyard to yes in my backyard. A message going out to every Bangalorean to take note of. In Bangalore, with camera person Kumar, Stacey Pereira for NDTV. And a message going out to all of you watching.
Our waste, our responsibility.
To connect with us, our email address is property@ndtv.com. Do leave your full name, email address and phone number. That will help us track you for your queries.